How to hide all of your Facebook photos at once. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can hide all of your Facebook photos at once. So to do that, first of all, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and then make sure you are logged into your Facebook account. Now once you're logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to tap on the menu option on the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, simply scroll down and then go to privacy and settings. After that, go to privacy shortcuts. Now you will be taken to this page where you'll have to scroll down, and then under your Facebook information, simply tap on the option see your activity log. Simply tap on it. After that, tap on the option public posts, or you can also tap on the option manage your posts. Now once you've done that, you will be taken to this page where you will be able to see the list of all of the different posts you've made on your Facebook profile and that are on your profile. So if you want to hide all of them at once, all you have to do is simply tap on this all option right over here. After that, simply tap on the option either archive or trash. Now doing any one of these will simply either delete or simply archive this post from your Facebook profile. And if you want, you can keep some photos by simply deselecting them. But for now, since we are here to hide all of the posts from our profile, we'll simply select all and then tap on the option archive. And now it'll see that your selections will not be saved if you leave now. So once you tap on the option continue, all of the photos from your Facebook profile will be hidden. So hope this video cleared your confusion and helped you guys out. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.